Is this necessary?
It is necessary.
Can you just take the ID and let me?
I can take you to jail right now.
For what?
Well, let's see. For providing a false name,
Yeah.
for possession of a fake identification card, and alcohol on the beach. Okay. The bad news is you have a fake ID. Okay, and it is unlawful to have a fake ID. Okay. So you are under arrest. Okay.
On April 15th, 2025, a Florida Beach Patrol officer made contact with a group consuming alcohol on a public beach. What began as a routine ordinance enforcement escalated into a felony arrest driven by a fraudulent identification card.
Hello. Hey, there's no alcohol out on the beach.
What can I talk about?
At one of the nearest trash cans. You guys have your IDs with you?
Yeah. That's my ID. Yeah. How?
You guys at least 21?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Are you still in California?
Huh?
Are you still in California? Okay. And you're still in South Carolina?
Yeah.
Okay. Address information correct on your driver's license?
I used to live there for college, but I'm here now.
You're here now?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your current address? House or apartment?
House.
Okay.
Huh?
This address, is it still your address?
No, I'm in LA.
Okay. What's your current address?
Go visiting me. Yeah.
Is the address on your driver's license still accurate, is what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. It is.
If it's the Emerald Street, then I have a different address because I moved. My current address is...
Okay. Okay. All right. Give me just a minute, okay?
Yeah.
All 16 on tack. Alpha 33 on tack. Ocean 13.
Driver license
Yeah, I'm
not
pretty sure
valid.
she gave me a fake ID. Let's try it by name real quick. But I'm pretty sure it's not going to come back.
Okay, out of California or the South Carolina?
I'm sorry, South Carolina.
Alright, let's try the South Carolina. Go ahead.
Last name, Papa Echo Charlie. Uniform, November Echo Sierra. First name, India Sierra Alpha. Bravo Echo Lima Lima Alpha. Middle is M Mike. 210 of 01. White female.
Negative, no record found.
Aye, copy. Okay. All right, stand up for me. Stand
For
up.
what?
Stand up. Bring your back. Do not resist me, or you're going to go to the ground. Do not pull away from me. Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back, or you're going to go to the ground. I don't want to hurt you. Put your hands behind
No,
your
like,
back.
I get it, but
Okay.
can you just explain
You've
it?
provided me with a fake ID. Put your
That's
hands
my
behind.
friend's ID.
Put your hands
My
behind your
friend
back.
was just with us.
We'll get into it down in a minute.
Relatively explained.
Okay, put your hands behind your back. I'm going to tell you again. If you do not do what I tell you to do, you're going to go to the ground. You're going to catch a resisting charge. Relax your hands. Put your hands together like you're praying.
Давай фотографию. Я хочу фотографию. Фотографию сделай. Ну как будто бы.
Нет.
Ну как будто бы ты даже не
Это не
смотришь.
шутки.
А
Это серьезно.
фотографию.
Это не шутки.
Дай.
106.15 something.
Я понимаю, на фото.
I have one secured.
Can I pack all my stuff?
One secured. Okay. We're going to go over here to my truck and we're going to figure out who you really are, okay?
I'm sorry, sir. What do I just sit there?
Yep, just hang tight for right now, okay? Because I still have your ID, your information. Okay, but you're not free to go yet. Okay. All right, let's start again, okay?
That was my friend's ID. I was like, oh,
That's like a 80-year-old lady. Okay?
That's not an 80-year-old lady.
I have her picture pulled up. The driver's license number that's on that. It's a fake ID.
She's like 24.
Okay, well, your friend has a terrible fake ID. Because when I run the number, I get the real person's picture back, and it's not that.
Okay.
Okay? It's like a 70-something-year-old lady. So whoever made y'all's fake ID did a shitty job.
Okay.
He could have at least picked somebody young.
I don't think that was even a fake ID.
Oh, it's fake. I promise you it's
Really?
fake.
Oh. I didn't know.
Well, you did know because it's not yours.
Well, I know that it wasn't mine. That's the picture, no?
That's that lady's... When I run that driver's license number, that's what comes up.
CDL by number.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Not you.
Yeah, I didn't.
Okay, so you have now provided me with a fake ID. So, what is your last name?
Is this necessary?
It is necessary.
Can you just take the ID and let me?
I can take you to jail right now.
For what?
Well, let's see.
For
For providing a
providing
false
a-
name,
Yeah.
for possession of a fake identification
Yeah.
card, and alcohol on the beach.
Alcohol is not allowed.
It is not allowed on the beach. That's why I stopped out with you in the
The
first
person
place.
that lives here told me that alcohol was
They
allowed.
told you wrong. So what is your last name? What is your first name? What's your middle initial?
I don't have a
No.
middle name.
Okay. What is your date of birth? What year?
2007.
That's why you gave me a fake ID, because you're not 21. I'm not stupid. I work on the beach. I deal with this 10 times a day.
Okay,
It is
but
not my
I
first
didn't
day.
because it's like Daytona.
What state is your ID from? Is it Florida? Or is
No,
it
it's South Carolina.
South Carolina? Hold on, 15 seconds. All right, South Carolina by name. Let's try this time. How old are you?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm 18.
Last name. First name. White female out of South Carolina.
How many further charges are there?
Well, right now you're just at the ones that I talked to you about, so we'll see where this goes. Oh, she gave me a fake ID.
What did you do that for?
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
And when I run the DL number, it comes back to like a 70-year-old lady
I'm sorry.
with a picture.
I didn't know. It wasn't my fake. It was my friend's fake.
But you provided it to try to identify yourself with
How old
that.
are you? 18?
Can you stand by with her for a sec, Joey?
Yep.
Good.
Your subject came back negative Newark, found out of South Carolina.
Your last name is correct?
Yeah.
Your first name is...
Exactly. I didn't do anything.
Don't listen to him.
Okay, but they're right.
That'll get you in trouble.
Yeah.
Oh, I need my glasses. Where are you from?
I'm from California.
What are you doing here?
I'm gonna go to college here.
Huh?
I'm gonna go to college here.
What college?
Daytona State.
How did you move to California from
My
California?
sister lives here.
Yeah, is that your sister over there?
No,
God damn, Jake.
it's my friend.
Let me get my glasses.
Okay. Give me one sec.
Yeah. Fucking die out here.
Can I go talk to her real quick?
Well, let's talk to her in a second. What are you gonna study?
Radiology.
Okay.
And you have an ID or a driver's license in South Carolina?
No.
What state do you have an ID in?
This state.
In Florida.
Yes.
Is there anything else you're not telling us?
Huh?
Is there anything else you're not telling us?
No.
It's just so much easier when you're truthful.
Yeah, I understand.
Do you have any warrants?
What's a warrant?
Where they want to take you to jail?
I don't know what a
You don't know what a
warrant
warrant is? It's a piece of paper that says you have to go to jail by the order of the court. Okay.
And she's valid, sir.
What part of South Carolina? Oh, let me skip it.
Yep. All right. I got some good news. I got some bad news. Okay. The good news is I am not going to charge you with providing me with a false name. Okay. The bad news is you have a fake ID. Okay, and it is unlawful to have a fake ID. Okay, and it's unlawful to provide a fake ID to law enforcement. Okay.
Yeah.
Certain things I have discretion on, right? Meaning I can write you a ticket, I can take you to jail, whatever. Certain things I have discretion on, certain things I don't have discretion on.
Yeah.
Okay. The fake ID part, you're going to be taking a ride today. Okay. So you are under arrest. Okay. You want her to have your belongings? Hold on to them for you?
Yeah.
Do you have any shorts that she can put
I
on?
was just
for
gonna
you?
say, do you have some pants she can put on? Okay. I'm just gonna hold on to you because you can't. If you trip and fall, you can't brace yourself.
Can you give me my shorts? Yeah.
You want to bring out the COV for her?
Yeah. She holds it.
Under 21.
Okay.
19, I believe.
Yeah, with state statute.
288.
Yeah. 288.
566 forward for statute 288.
Yeah.
Can you put them on? Yeah, I will. Give me a second. Yeah, they kind of. Bro. Yeah, I'm sorry.
She said, bro.
They're gonna touch your ass. Yeah. I got no top.
I'm more frustrated without tripping now.
You got a shirt? You want a t-shirt that she can just hold on? She can put it on when she gets out there.
Shirt.
Okay, that's all right. You're good. They'll give you one.
I can just.
Where's your ID at?
Where's your idea? All right, come on over here. I'm gonna have you sit in the truck for a second, and we'll get the rest going.
Can I put my shoes on?
Yeah, we'll bring them with us. There you go. Just watch your knee, okay?
This is my old address menu. I just.
1 Ocean, 15 seconds. All right, come on and talk to her while he fixes something. All right, she wants to talk to you before we go.
What's so funny? Okay,
Ой, what is so funny with you? Что ты смеялась на улице? Я это вижу.
See, this,
потому что он заметил, что у меня пальцы на
see, this
ноге.
is no fair. I can't understand this.
Saying, what's so funny? She said, what's so funny with you? And I'm saying, the toes, whatever. So what's gonna happen is,
Whatever.
what's gonna happen is,
What?
the poop pillow.
Yeah,
Okay,
he's a friendly poop.
shit like that. So what's gonna happen is that I called Aicha, I called your mom. You're gonna be taken to jail, but you're not.
Что ты им звонила? Да, блядь,
Что мне
кто
делать?
просил?
Что мне делать?
Никому не говорите, вот и все.
Никому не говорить?
Но вот у тебя рот, как будто бы ты срешь изо рта. Мне это так надоело про тебя.
I don't want to talk to her anymore.
Pissed her off.
Yeah, cause she fucking...
What's she mad about? I want to know. No secrets. Secrets don't make friends. What's she mad about?
Oh, she fucking told everyone. Like, bruh. Why does she feel the need to tell people?
I think she's trying to, like...
She could have just kept it between the two of us.
I think she's trying to help you out.
Okay, but she could have kept it between the two of us.
But her intentions were good. Right?
I don't even know.
All right, let's get the show on the road. Let's get you down there so you can get out, okay?
Is she gonna come?
She said she is.
She gonna come on in the other car?
No, she's not coming in the other car. We're like Uber.
Well, I don't know. I've never been arrested before.
She's going to have to drive out there and bond your ass
She's gonna
out.
have to drive?
Yes.
She doesn't have a car.
How'd you get here?
Uber?
I'll bond you out.
Sounds like she's...
Mean to me.
You hear that?
She's gonna Uber?
Don't be...
Don't be mean. She'll leave you in there.
Hey, let's...
Paying for your bond, bro.
Yeah, and if you're mean to her, she
Are you
can...
gonna Uber?
She can kick you because she doesn't care if she messed up her foot because she's getting it fixed anyways.
No, I'm getting picked up by Aicha, and then we're gonna come to you and bond you out. So
What do you...
You don't really have much of a
I was just going to say, how are you going to tilt your head back? She's helping you out.
Oh,
She could make you sit there till tomorrow.
Remember you said about me shitting out of my mouth?
Oh!
oh my god, that was really like 5 minutes ago.
I don't know Russian, but that's funny because I got a shit
That's
pillow
what
right
I
there.
said. She said I'm shitting out of my mouth. Because I was like, I told your sister.
I mean, in all fairness, she's looking at a shit pillow, so maybe that's the first thing that came to mind. All right, you ready? All right, you know where you're going?
I gave her the number and I give her the number to the branch show.
My guy. All right, what did we learn today?
We learned
We are not allowed to drink.
you cannot drink at the beach in Florida,
Okay.
and not, well,
Or
I
anywhere
already
in the
knew
state
this,
of Florida.
But you cannot have a fake ID.
Ah, okay.
I don't,
What's the last thing we learned?
huh?
What's the last thing we learned?
You can't drink
Get out of
anywhere in the
trouble
state
or
of
you
Florida
will pay.
underage.
All right, that works. I always try to get 3. All right.
You can't drink underage in Florida.
All right.
I believe you.
All right.
All right.
Go bond her out. Good luck with the tow.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Enjoy your time in Florida.
Thank you. If they don't kick me out of the house, then yeah.
Yeah, you didn't get in trouble.
Hey.
But I feel bad. She was with me.
You gotta tell the guys.
All right. Well.
All right.
The initial contact was a consensual encounter. Under United States versus Drayton, decided in 2002, officers may approach individuals in public without legal justification, provided a reasonable person would feel free to walk away. No detention exists at this stage. The request for identification does not convert a consensual contact into a Fourth Amendment seizure. That changes the moment the officer submits the license number to dispatch. The return photograph belongs to a woman in her 70s. Under Illinois versus Gates, probable cause requires only a fair probability that a crime has been committed. A dramatic identity mismatch satisfies that standard. Florida Statute Section 322.212 prohibits knowingly possessing or displaying a fraudulent identification card. This is not a misdemeanor. It is a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison and a $5,000 fine. The subject's true date of birth, 2007, places her at 17 years of age. She is a juvenile under Florida law. Her possession of alcohol separately violates Florida statute. Section 5, 62.111, a second-degree misdemeanor, carrying up to 60 days incarceration and a $500 fine. Both charges arise from the same encounter. During the arrest sequence, the subject verbally resisted and briefly pulled away. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest is itself a criminal offense. Under Florida Statute Section 943.04, the officer issued clear warnings and allowed a window for voluntary compliance, consistent with de-escalation best practices before applying minimum necessary force to effect the handcuffing. Under Graham versus Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989, the reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. The force deployed here was proportionate, brief, and legally sound. One procedural concern: the footage does not capture a Miranda advisement at any point following the arrest. Under Miranda versus Arizona and Berkemer versus McCarty, once a subject is in custody, law enforcement must advise of rights before any custodial interrogation. The officer continued to ask the subject identity questions after handcuffing her. Whether those questions are incriminating and whether Miranda was given off-camera cannot be confirmed from this footage alone. But the absence of an on-camera advisement is a prosecutorial vulnerability. The officer exercised discretion to waive the false name charge. This reflects an important legal distinction worth understanding. Law enforcement officers hold broad charging discretion in most jurisdictions. However, where statutory elements are clearly satisfied, as they are here with a fraudulent ID, that discretion narrows as a practical matter, even if legal authority to decline exists.
Hold on 1 second. We're working on what we're going to do because they're having some problems in there. It's going to be a while, so we're just trying to figure out what we're going to do. Okay.
And then it'll freeze this spot up and I get my van over here.
Appreciate it. All right, we're going to switch cars for a minute, okay? You're going to go in the van until they're done in there. They got some problems in there right now they're trying to work through.
All right, I got to ask you a couple questions. You see the doctor in 24 hours? Have you seen the doctor in 24 hours? No. It's not a hard question. Do you have anything on you, on your person?
When I was in contact with her, she's basically in a G-string.
Okay.
Not really anywhere you can hide anything.
Do you have any other personal items with you?
Nope.
No cash, no phone, nothing?
Okay. I'm just getting away from the hot truck. I think there's so much heat. No, you're fine. I was just standing
I do
over
that
here.
in front of you because all of a sudden she said they have $400. Nope.
Just wipe your hand, wipe your shoulders.
Okay, I'll get the cuffs off.
You want to take a cuff off? Oh, you get out of here?
Yeah.
Fine. These guys, I don't know what your policy is in the van with the jewelry, but
I'll leave it on.
okay. Yeah, I didn't take it off. So.
You're not suicidal, right? Yeah. Not, what? You are suicidal? No. Are you pregnant?
No.
Those are all questions they're going to ask you, and I expect the same answers, okay?
Russian's your first language, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's...
No, but you speak in English.
No, she does, but sometimes it takes a second.
Okay,
When you ask her the question, yes.
No,
Because I
this is why
did the
I
same
asked-
thing. No, I know.
No, I needed, because all of a sudden she goes, oh, I'm pregnant.
No, I get it.
I need to see the doctor.
The primary officer receives a B+. The legal progression from consensual contact to probable cause arrest was executed correctly. Dispatch protocol was thorough. Force was minimal and proportionate. His communication with all parties was transparent and professional. The missing Miranda advisement on camera is the sole significant deduction. The arrestee receives a C+. Presenting a fraudulent identification to law enforcement is the core offense, and it carries felony exposure. Brief physical resistance compounded the legal risk. However, she ultimately provided truthful identity information, ceased resistance, and cooperated through booking. That cooperation directly led the officer to decline the false name, charge a tangible benefit of choosing honesty after the fact. Key lessons from this encounter. First, a fraudulent ID is a felony in Florida, not a citation, not a warning. The severity catches most people off guard. It should not. Second, once an officer submits a license number to dispatch, the deception is over. The system returns a photograph. There is no recovery from that moment. Third, voluntary cooperation after the initial offense has measurable value. The false name charge was waived precisely because the subject came clean. Fourth, physical resistance to a lawful arrest creates a second independent criminal charge. Verbal objection is a right. Physical resistance is a crime. Fifth, juveniles facing felony charges in Florida have access to diversion programs, adjudication, withheld outcomes, and deferred prosecution agreements, but those options close the moment a case is handled poorly at the scene or in the initial court appearance. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more police interaction and courtroom content.